How to download Epic Games on Windows or laptop. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you super quick and easy and how you can download Epic Games on Windows or laptop. Simply head over to your Chrome browser or any media browser and head into epicgames.com. Once you're on epicgames.com, you'll get an interface somewhat like this. Click on download option at the top right here and the download should start right away. You can see Epic installer being downloaded. You can track the download from your download tab here. Then you want to simply double click on it once it's been installed and the installation pop-up should pop up. In my case here on my PC, the app is already installed. However, it'll ask you to choose the default installation location. You want to choose the installation location, and once it's been installed, you can proceed to go through the installation process. So this is how you can easily install Epic Games Launcher or Epic Games on your Windows or PC. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.